During the cabinet meeting of the 19th of July 2021, an approval was made to bring the public schools and Pine Mount School into the administrative management and control of the Directorate of School Education and Literacy. Conrad Sangma, while briefing the media, informed that there is a necessity to include the public schools and Pine Mount School in Shillong under the administrative control of the Directorate of School Education and Literacy, or DSEL. He added that till date, the entire school system from the elementary to the higher secondary level, except the particular schools mentioned, are within the DSEL. This is to have a uniform developmental strategy for all existing schools in the state.
The Pine Mount School and the public schools that are in Meghalaya. These have been historically maintained or were under the jurisdiction of the Directorate of Higher Technical Education. As you're aware, these are all schools up to class 12, and in Meghalaya all the schools up to class 12 are under the Directorate of School Education and Literacy. So therefore, a decision was taken in the cabinet that the Pine Mount School and the public schools should also come under jurisdiction of the DSEL instead of the DHTE. So that decision also has been taken today.